Good morning. It's me, Leigh of Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And so let's move this out of the way and get busy. So what we're working on is part 4 of the Anna Griffin kit, the Simply Wildflower scrapbook kit. And so let's move that out of the way. We need to put a picture here still. And we did 1 and we did the back. We did 2. The first part 1 was laying out all the pictures. So this is part 2. This is part 3. This is going to be part 4. Okay? So I have an extra, let me pull this out and show you that on this and this, let's put that back. And let's pull this one out. Should have just pulled them out. So let's just move this out of the way. This is what we're working on today. This goes there, this goes there. So it's the back of what we did yesterday. So that goes there, and this goes here, okay? And the reason why I did not put the journaling card here is I'm just gonna leave it, and then I have everything that matches to go with it right here. But I'm gonna leave it because I'm not sure if we need 2 journaling cards. It's only 4 pictures, and I don't know if there's gonna be 2 different activities. So I'm gonna leave it like that. So you can choose to go ahead and put this like this, or put it like this. Let's see which would look better to match. I think it's so hard to use this paper and the flowers get lost. So that's why you see them close to the borders so that they pop a little. It's just harder for me, maybe not for you. But I think it would look better, let me see. I think it looks better right here. So that's what I would do. Just pull it off so it doesn't write on the journaling. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. So let's put this off to the side and pull out what we need. So here's what we need, and here's what we need. Oh, let me show you while I'm thinking about it. I had forgotten to show you. This book that I totally did is not an alligator mouth. See how it doesn't have an alligator mouth. So it's good, even though it's got all those embellishments and all. It sits flat and it's not an alligator mouth. And I'll let it go. What was it? I'll stand up. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that. Okay, so now this page, move everything off, is the back. Let's make sure it's going the right direction. And then this page. So let's talk about what we need. We need 2 of these. We need 2 of these photo mats, 1 of each color. I do have 2 of these, but we're not sure if we're going to use them, but we have them. Now let's get with the flowers, embellishments. Okay, so okay, so we have 2 of these, 1 for each page. We have 2 of these, 1 for each page. We have 1 of these, 1 for each page. Oh, no, we have 2 for each page. We have 4 of these, so 2 for each page. We already did that. We already did that. So let's get them off to the side and get busy. Okay. So this is a very, very simple, easy layout. It is really for beginners, and because we didn't use any dies and we're really not cutting very much, but it's really just to use the kit. So let's go ahead and just tape this down. I'm not using the full tape because of the holes it has and the thickness of the border. So I'm just using this. It's from Walmart. Okay, we're putting this on each bid. This paper was kind of hard for me because it's got so much movement and so much on it already, so busy. Here. Right on that edge. I think after this I start using a lot of the extra papers and all. I think it's the first one. Okay. Now what did we do? So we have this one here, this one here. We have this one here and this one here. Let's do that. I do the 4 corners so that it doesn't raise up on me. So let's put glue or tape on this. We get a 4-pack of this at Walmart. They're always sold out. So when I do find them, I buy like 3 boxes at a time. I think it's $6. Okay, so let's see, this one goes right here. Just a little, that there. And I eyeball the first ones. And then on the second one, so that it is straight, I get my ruler and put these together and put that there. And then I, oops, moved a little. It's crooked. Yeah, I saw it move. So let's straighten it up. Okay. Then this one, I want to be straight as well. Do this. And eyeball this part. Make sure it's straight. It's got the grids. I'm looking at the grids through the actual ruler. And I'll put that there. Okay. Now we are going to decorate. So let's decorate this side first. So I'm actually going to bring this here. We aren't using this because we're not sure if we need another journaling card. You can always have a lot to journal or a little. And if you only need one, and then this is here and it's blank, it looks like unfinished. I think you can always find something to write on that though. I really do. I think you can always write Adelaide or something or the date or love you. So you know what I'm going to do? It's such a little spot. I think I'm going to add it. missing. I'll take my first page and then we'll do this. So like I said, this looks better here. It's hard. It kind of just gets lost on that paper. Okay, so now we're going to do this page here, which is my right. I'm looking at it and it's my right. So let's get all the pieces and work on that. Okay, so say your pictures are not going this direction. All you have to do is rotate it or rotate it and change the journaling card to match. Okay? Only thing you'd have to redo is the journaling card if your pictures are not going that direction. Put this stuff here. Got the butterfly. And we are putting it right here. And the reason why it's here is so that the gold will pop off that blue and it won't get lost. So we're going to take this. Take that one. I'm going to put it right about here. And we're going to let some of the pink flower be on this pink. Okay. This one is going up by the journaling card. It's going by the journaling card. This one is going above the journaling card like we did on the first one. And stick it and put it. Oh, we may need to do the other direction. We'll bring it down some. Okay, do that. Thank goodness this doesn't get real sticky and stay on there until about a couple of hours later. Put that there and that there. Okay, this one. My computer stopped. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. I hope my computer just stopped. I don't know why it does that every now and then. I think it does it because I had the zoom. I zoomed in and out. I zoomed in and out and it made my computer go crazy. So sorry about that, guys. We're going to stick that underneath the tip of this. The tip of this is going underneath here. And we're going to put it in between. And we're putting it in between. And we're putting it right there. And then this one. This one. See, there's so much flowers on this. My laptop and computer camera is having a hard time focusing on this. So this one is going there. And we're done with that. We're going to do, okay, so we did this page. So now we're going to do and finish this page. So here we go. This is the left side. Let's redo it just in case my computer is really messing up. I'm wondering if I need to upgrade this program because it is probably 7 years old. The journaling card is going to go here. Here it just keeps messing up. Okay, and we're using this one. I'm going to follow these. So it is right there. Stick it right there. This one is next. And it is going in between, hiding that stem and going in between and going right there. This one is going right here. We're going to stick that stem underneath the flower and it's going right there. This one going to put right here. Well, how do we have it? Well, we had it over here. Put it right here. I think I did the other one wrong. No, no, I didn't do it. I did it right. I'm going to put this next to last. This piece is going, boy, my camera does not like this paper. Put it right here, and then the butterfly is going to go right there. So there you go. So this is a 2-page layout. Let me get the other one back. And that is your 2-page layout for today. All the links are down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day, everybody.